So, next one are clients who think they know what they want. Yung akala nila, alam na nila kung anong gusto nila because they dreamt of an ideal property. Ito yung dream property nila of a beach property overlooking the mountain, katabi mo yung dagat, maraming mga coconut trees, fruit-bearing trees, vegetables, yan. So, alam na nila yung napipicture na nila yung dream property nila. They can picture it in their minds, they can draw it. Yan. So, they already have a clear grasp of what they really want for a property. So, problem naman with these kinds of clients is they cannot explain yung feeling nila. They usually just say na, Mr. Broker, once I see that property, malalaman ko na, mafe-feel ko na, may vibrations na ako mararamdaman na yun. So yun naman nagiging problem, ano, na they want something from their imagination and then the only way they can concretize, so to speak, yung property is once they see it. So